Rain hammered the attic window as Evelyn unearthed the old typewriter, its keys slick with dust and something stickier. The machine seemed to hum, vibrating beneath her fingertips like a heartbeat. She hesitated, then typed, "A crimson shadow flickers behind me." The keys clacked sharply, echoing through the empty house. Instantly, the room chilled, breath visible in the cold air. In the cracked glass of the attic mirror, a red silhouette flared and vanished, her breath caught, heart pounding. She typed again, hands trembling. "The shadow whispers my name." The attic filled with a wet, sibilant hiss, her name, drawn out and dripping with menace. Panic rising, she slammed her fists on the desk. "Stop," she typed. The machine jammed, refusing her command, keys stuck fast. Desperate, she wrote, "It disappears forever." The typewriter spat out the words, then shuddered violently. Silence fell. She exhaled, relief flooding her chest. But as she turned to leave, the keys rattled on their own, slowly typing, "You disappear forever." Her vision blurred, body dissolving into the cold, ink-stained air. The typewriter waited, hungry, ready for the next story, its fate sealed in every key.